Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye, and welcome to my channel. Today, you all, we have a Dooney Bourke unboxing. This unboxing is slightly different because I did not order this particular bag. This bag was, I believe it's called a swap or a switch. I had shared the original in my Dooney Bourke haul, the last one that I posted, and I did not unwrap the bag because the color was not what I expected. There was not a picture on the Dooney Bourke website, on the I Love Dooney website, and I took a chance based on the name of the color. The color of that particular bag was mushroom, so I expected a very light colored bag. This was the bag that I said I should have ordered. So you all, this is it. And what had happened was, someone posted this bag on Facebook, and I believe they ordered the saddle, which was this color, but all over. It was the color of the leather trim. But ash is the one that I regretted not choosing because this bag sold out very, very quickly. As you see, this is the code for Penrose, the color ash, and it's a large satchel, 18 out of 25, and a ship or date of August 29th, 2024. I don't remember what the ship date was on the mushroom one that I had. Again, it's featured in the video. I'll try to remember to link that video in the description for this video, so that you can see it. It's at the end, and the color was mushroom. I just don't remember what the ship date was. But I did mention that I wish that I would have chosen the ash color instead. So, anyway, you all, this was posted on Facebook. They did not like the color. But she did like her saddle version of this bag, and she was willing to do a swap. I let her see the picture of the mushroom bag, and she liked it. So y'all, we swapped them out. And so I'm glad because this is a color that I do not have, and that I wanted. And the price, if you all recall, I believe it was like between $113 and $119. I can't recall, but it was a very, very low price. The feet are how I prefer them, which is with the leather patch under it. And again, the color ash, it's kind of how I pictured it, like a very, very light gray. So that's how it looks in person. So I hope it's coming up true to color on camera. So you all, I'm going to go ahead and unwrap it. Just a close-up of the hang tag for you, so we can check it out. And if you all are watching this video and you are not subscribed to my channel, feel free to subscribe. If you'd like to see more of my content, and hit that notification bell so that you are made aware each time I upload a new video. Welcome back, and thank you so much for returning to all of my new subscribers and my current and longtime subscribers. I really do appreciate you all. It looks like I need to cut this off. Well, let me try pulling it. Oh, there we go. That worked just fine. And I know there were other colors, you all. So if you all have since received your Penrose satchels that was for this very, very good price that sold out pretty quickly, please share it in the comments. Let me know what color that you received, and if you're happy with your color. and took a chance on it. This was another one that I shared you all in my on my community post. I refer to it as a mystery bag anytime it doesn't have a picture. I believe the only picture it showed was a red version of it, but all the other colors it did not have a picture of it at all. But they did sell out. I think these may have sold out the same day because of the price being so low. So 1 minute they were on ILD and 1 minute they were gone. But I had not done an actual purse swap before, so this was very convenient, because if I would have returned it to Dooney, I would have had to pay the $10 fee for it, because that one I didn't open. There was nothing wrong with it. I really did not like the color. So instead of doing that, it was a much better decision to go ahead and just do a swap and switch out for the color that I like. And this, I believe this was the only one that I saw online that someone had shared. I don't believe I saw any others. I'm sure there are more out there, because I know they didn't just make one. This this one at least shows that they made 25 of them. So out of 25, I'm sure there's at least 24 others out there floating around. The saddle, if you all have seen the saddle, like I said, it's this color here of the trim all over. And like, you can't really, it blends. It looks like it's all the same leather, even though this is Penrose leather and this is probably a different type of leather. The trim itself, on the saddle version of it, it is one solid color. So I guess that one was more of the Penrose version of the natural Florentine satchel. And I will try to include a picture in this video. I think I just did that with these scissors, y'all. Of the mushroom bag. So the handle itself, as you see, it does have the whip stitching. I think I may have done that with my scissors. If not, it looks like it's kind of just a scrub in the leather. Outside of that, it looks good. This looks like a little bit of glue here. So I'm hoping I can roll that off of there. If you all can see that, just a small little piece of glue right there. And a lot of people have asked as well, how does Penrose feel? It's hard to describe. It's soft to touch, so it's like a soft leather, but it seems stiff at the same time. Like, it seems like it would not slouch or anything. So I guess that's where the stiffness feel comes from, but it's just kind of hard to describe. Okay, y'all, so it does come with the Dooney Bourke dust bag, the strap, and it looks like it's a good length of a strap as well. I'm gonna see if it has the standard setup. I already see right away the interior does not, so it's a different color. I think I was expecting red. I don't remember. Well, I'll take that back. It was not a really good picture of this one for me to compare it to online. But you see the green suede around the top. Pieces of the suede, it looks like, are in the bottom of the bag. Okay, y'all. So with this being Penrose, and I believe the bag as well, it does not, if the bag has made in Mexico on it, it does. So I'm not surprised that it doesn't have the it does not come with the Dooney Bourke authentication label on this one. The interior is like a very thick, nice canvas, but there is not an authentication label in this one, which I kind of expected since this is the Penrose leather. And I did share that in a video a couple months ago, you all, called Dooney Bourke Told Me Which Bags Were Affected. It's the title of that video, which I unwrap a Penrose drawstring bag in black. So this is the inside. It is a very good size bag. I'm going to include the measurements on the screen or in the description. It does have the Dooney Bourke authentication label here. Not authentication, the leather the leather patch. It does have the registration card with the sticker to it. Slip pocket on the front. And 2 slip pockets here on the back side. Well, that's the front. Front has the slip pockets, the back has the zipper pocket. But that's the inside of it, y'all. It's a pretty good size bag. As you know, with the satchels, the opening is a little bit narrower, but once you get inside, you have room to put a lot. It looks like the hardware on this one as well, kind of pressed against the leather. I don't know if they tried to paint over it or if that's just like from the hardware itself. I'm not sure. The other side has a smaller. It kind of looks like doesn't that kind of look like they maybe tried to do like a little paint over it or something? I don't know, y'all. But like I said, and this one does have the braided zipper pull as well. I kind of knew what to expect with the Penrose leather, and I took a chance on it because, like I said, the mushroom I did not like. I had planned on returning it, but I at least wanted to try the ash because it's a different color. And for the price, I kind of knew what to expect. So all in all, I'm glad with my swap. I really do like the color. The major flaw on it is behind the hardware, so you can't really see it. And I'll try to get the glue off. But outside of that, I believe it's in pretty good condition. Let me know what you all think about this color, the size of the bag. Again, if you were able to get one at that price point, because I don't believe they're back on there in the large. I could be wrong. And I had not seen this color on there either. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. This is the unboxing and my first purse swap for the Dooney Bourke Penrose large satchel in the color ash. I look forward to seeing you all in my next video. Thank you again for watching and subscribing and commenting and sharing, y'all. I really do appreciate it. I can't say it enough. And as always, you all have a very, very wonderful day.